Today we are making Mother's Day drawing. So, let's get started. First, we will draw the mother. We start by drawing her face and hair. Then, dress. Next, we will draw her legs and hands. After mother, we will draw a child. We will start by drawing the face and hair of the child. To make this child a girl, add a ponytail on the head. Now, we will draw the legs and hands of the child. Then, we will draw a heart between the hands of the mother and child. Next, we will draw the grass. At last, we will draw some balloons around the mother and the child. We will fill colors in our drawing. First, we will color the mother's ribbon pink. Then, we will color the face with light orange. Now, we will color the hair brown. Friends, do know you can also share your drawings with us on our Instagram. Now, let's color the mother's dress pink. Then, we will color the child's dress orange. Then shoes black. Now, we'll color the heart red. It's time to color the balloons! Yay! Pink. Yellow. Dark blue. Now we will color the grass with green color. Friends, let's make this the prettiest picture ever, just for our moms. Friends, you can always fill the color as you like it. At last, we will write Happy Mother's Day at the top. Friends, this Mother's Day, remember to send love to your mom or anyone who's been like a mother to you. And it's done. Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.